Hi, welcome to the fifth day of our 31 days pronunciation journey. In case you're just joining me, so welcome to the channel right here. This is what we do. So on today's video, we're going to be working on these sounds, the H and the H, H. Okay, so we're going to be doing it as usual alphabetically. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into the video. So the very first one is the B sound. We have bit. This is bit. 8 bit, 8 bit. We have the next one, the C. We have Kate, 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 Kate. We have D, date, 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 date. We have F, fate, fate, fate. We have G, gate, gate, gate. So you're having B, C, D, F, G. We have bait, gate, date, fate, gate. Okay, we move to H. We have hate, 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 hate. Okay, we move to the next sound. J, jet, jet, jet. The next one, the K. We have Kate, Kate, Kate. Move to the next sound. L. We have the late, late, late. We move to M. We have mate, mate, mate. And to N, we have knit, knit, knit. And now to P, I have pate, 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 pate. Q, quate, 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 quate. And we move to the R. Rate, rate, rate. And now to S, we have sit, sit, sit. We move to T, we have tate, tate, tate. And to V, we have vate, vate, vate. W, we have wait, 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 wait. We have the X, Y, Z. We have sit, 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 sit. We have yet, 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 yet. And we have zit, zit, zit. Okay, so let's go over it. We have bait, kate, date, fate, gate, hate, jet, kate, late, mate, knit, pit, quate, rate, sit, tate, vate, wait, zit, yet, sit. Are we good? Let's go over it again. Bait, kate. Remember, we are working with the 8 sound. 8, 8. Bait, kate, date, fate, gate, hate, jet, kate, late, mate, knit, pit, quate, rate, sit, tate, vate, wait, sit, yet, zit. Bait, kate, date, fate, gate, hate, jet, kate, late, mate, knit, pit, quate, rate, sit, tate, vate, wait, sit, yet, zit. All right, so let's see the next sound we have here. We have the H, H. So we go on with the first one. We have B. We have beige, beige. The next one, C. We have cage, cage. We have D. Ditch, ditch, ditch. We have F. Fidge, fidge, fidge. We have G, gauge, gauge, gauge. We move to H, 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 H. We move to J, we have Jage, Jage, Jage. And to K, we have cage, cage, cage. Now L, ledge, 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 ledge. And M, mage, 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 mage. Now N, nage, 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 nage. So far we have beige, cage, dage, fage, gauge, H, jage, cage, ledge, mage, nage. We'll move on to the next letter, which is the letter P. We have page, 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 page. We have the next one, the Q. We have quage, quage, quage. And we move to R. We have rage, rage, rage. And now to S, we have sage, 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 rage, sage. And now to T, we have tage, tage, tage. Now we move to V, we have the veg, veg, veg. And now the W, we have wage, 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 wage. And again we have the X, H, 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 H. And we move to the H, H, H. And now the Z, we have Zage, Zage, Zage. Let's recite them together. We have beach. Remember, we are working with the H, H, H. So I have beach, cage, ditch, fetch, gauge, H, jage, cage, ledge, mage, nage, page, quage, rage, sage, tage, veg, wage, wage, sage, yage, zage, zage. Okay, so we can see how it is being pronounced alphabetically. Okay, so there are so many words we could get out of these sounds. For instance, we have wage already here. We have fate, date, gate, hate, mate. There are words already on their own, and they can actually appear at the beginning of a word to form another word. They could actually appear at the middle of a word to get another word. And they could actually appear at the end of a word with a combination of other letters and give us an entirely new word. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at these words and see how those sounds appear right there. So I have mandate, mandate, excavate, excavate, renovate, renovate, participate, participate, indicate, indicate, motivate, motivate, meditate, meditate, formulate, formulate, vacate, vacate, mitigate, mitigate. Let's go over it again. I have mandate, mandate, excavate, excavate, renovate, renovate, participate, participate, indicate, indicate, motivate, motivate, meditate, meditate, formulate, formulate, vacate, vacate, mitigate, mitigate. So you can see we have date, vate, rate, pate, kate, vate, date, late, gate, gate. Okay, let's see this side. We have heritage, heritage. This is stage. Manage, marriage, passage, garbage, message, signage, package, stage. Again, we have voltage, heritage, manage, marriage, passage, garbage, message, signage, package, stage. So you can see actually how these sounds work. Okay, right here we try to do them alphabetically, we get the sounds, and right here we are seeing how they appear at the end of the words. Okay, you can see that we actually get the sounds right here. These are 4-letter combinations, and these are what they could sound like when we have them in words. Okay, and this is where we're going to be stopping for today's lesson, and I actually believe you got these sounds right. You can try this over and over and over again, keep reciting them until you master them. Okay, don't forget, in case you're just joining me, we have the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and today is actually the day 5. Try watching those previous videos before this one. We have other sounds we have studied on that videos. And don't forget, we are working on the sounds first and foremostly. Okay, I'm just using this to show you how the words can actually sound when they appear, when they are being added to the words. Okay, we're going to go into this proper. Okay, so if you're just joining me, if you like what you see right here, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. When you do, turn on your notification button, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. This is Yogo Recording Short for today's video. Thank you for stopping by today. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.